we're gonna use this to do some chopping, okay? This part is real sharp on the end, and this part is like a big hammer. And I'm gonna help you the whole time, okay? We're gonna do some smashing.
Yeah.
You ready to smash? Let's do some smashing. Your one hand is gonna be right about here. Your other hand is gonna be right here. So we take the tool back like this, and we're gonna swing it forward like that, real hard, okay? Here we go, ready? 1, 2, 3. Good job. Okay, let's open up another spot right next to there, okay? And good job.
What's in there?
Let's find out. Let's open the hole up bigger. Ready? Back and swing. And we're gonna do open right here. Is this fun? Want to make another hole? Good job. Yeah. Okay, this time we're gonna turn the tool around. And we're gonna try smashing with this side, which is wider. You see how it's wide? Okay, ready? Bring it back. And chop. Yeah, good job. This is what Daddy does at work.
Ready? Okay, Daddy, little choppies, little tiny chops. That was open hook. Okay, you want to take it with your hand? Pull it open. Oh, hold on, stop right there. Back up. Hey!
Pull that piece down. What did we find? Insulation. Now, these pieces are a little spiky. You have to be careful. There's the old wall. You want to do some smashing?
Yeah.
Come get your glasses. Get back. Chop it forward. A little harder this time.
Good job, one more time. There you go, you want to hit it again? Let's do this side right here. Okay, you bring it back.
Hey. That's it. All by yourself. Strong boy. All by yourself. Daddy's not doing anything. Okay, spread your hands out a little bit. I want you to spread your feet out just a little bit too. There you go, nice wide base. Just gonna bring it back and we're gonna twist our hips.
Okay, Daddy, I want to do it by
You do it.
Yeah. Okay, I'll hold this down. Not doing anymore. We're safe. That's a boy.
Okay.
Okay.
You don't want no more? You done? Bring it back. See how I bring it up? I'm almost like throwing it, dropping it down into there. Pop. Letting the tool do the work. Pop. Sometimes I'll use the backside too. With a big hammer. Smash! All the smashes. Is it fun to smash? You want to do some more?
No, thank you.
You want to use the hook?
Please, don't hurt it on my head.
I'm not going to hurt you. Okay, we reach up with our 6-foot hook. Uppity, uppity, up. We go up onto the wall. We gentle, pull, pull, pull. Can you pull? Yeah! Let's get some more. Here, reach a little bit lower. Here and here. Okay, stand right just like that. Okay, ready? Let's pull. 1, 2, 3. Okay, back up so the wall doesn't fall down on us. Now we're going to reposition our tool to here. And we're going to pull down, down, down. Good job. And now, how about here?
Yeah.
Got it hooked? Give it a pull. You do it. I'm not even going to do any of the work. Yeah, that's you. Good job, kid. How about over here? Hook it. You pull. Nice. Okay, let's turn it over. Wow.
We eat that.
We're going to bring it back. Then we're going to slam it forward. You ready? Push really hard. 1, 2, 3, push. Ha! Alright, we're going to hit it again a little higher this time. Ready? One more. 1, 2, 3. Ha! Alright. Alright, try again. We're getting it. Here, real quick, Daddy's gonna make it so this is 2 pieces. You ready? This is what Daddy. Here. Go. Just like this. Up. Bring it down. Up. 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 Okay, now we need the axe because this is a little bit too long for that work. Here, let's hang it in the wall.
Okay.
Just so we don't lose it. Ready? One hand high, one hand low. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, bring the axe down.
Yeah.
We got to bring it back. And I want you to spread your feet out. Stand up tall. Back.
Nothing there.
We're gonna find out. Ready? You gonna do it?
Yeah. Okay.
All by yourself.
Very hard.
Yeah, you're hitting a wall stud. There's a big piece of wood that goes all the way up and down.
Okay.
So try and keep it on this line right here. Scooch over. Hard. Harder. Harder.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh. Good. Down. Chop. It would get stuck sometimes. So when it gets stuck, here's what we do. We go side, side, and then we pull it out.
What was that noise?
So we have to be careful because we're swinging a sharp blade toward us. So we have to keep it off to the side of our body like that. Good. Good. Now let's try the axe side again. Okay, now let's use the head of the axe to smash. Like this. Okay? Harder. 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 Yeah! That's a boy. Get it.
Oh.
You okay? Oh! You okay? Let me give it a kiss. You're fine. Come on, stand up. Alright, so look. We chopped this whole thing in half. Now should we use the hook? Listen, we always leave our tool in the wall so we don't lose it, okay? Look up. Just like this. Bring it back. Chop. And it's not going to fall down. Alright, now let's use our hook. Up, up, up. A little pull. A little pull. Now let's get the hook a little bit lower. Very good. Pull, pull, pull. Yeah. Great job. Okay, let's scooch over this one. Okay, we're gonna reach up high this time.
Very hard?
Very high up here. Bring it back. And then slam it in. Little pulls. Okay, bring the hook lower. You pull hard. All you. I'm not doing anything. Rah. Yeah, strong muscle beast. Great job. We're gonna take the hook. We're gonna put it behind the wall. Get your hand on there. Can you put it down there? Put it down behind the wall. All the way down. Okay, reach up tall. Now pull down. Yeah, that's how we pull down the lower part of the wall. Great job, dude.
I'm trying to get a screwdriver.
Oh, there you go. Oh no, where's my axe? Oh, that's why we hang it on the wall. Makes sense, right? You want to do some chopping? No choppies for you? Okay, more choppy for me.
Can I close this?
No, I need it open.